Hi, this is Rubel from eTech Review. Today I am going to unbox the Asus Vivobook S433EA. I hope you watch the full video. So friends, let's see what's inside the box. After opening the box, I got my desired laptop covered by a cotton bag. Got some papers which are user manuals, and an envelope. After opening the envelope, there are some gaming stickers. Every sticker is so beautiful. I really like it. From the left side, I found a charger for this laptop. And from the right side, I got a mouse and a power cable. Awesome. It is a 14 inches and 1.4 kilograms lightweight laptop. It has an 11th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB of RAM, 512 GB SSD storage. It has no optical drive. On the right side, it has two USB 2.0 micro SD card readers. On the left side, it has a power port, an HDMI, USB 3.0 Type A, USB 3.0 Type C, and a combo audio port. Oh, one more thing, it has no Ethernet port. If you want to use cable internet, you need to use Type C or a USB dock station. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Also give a like, please. Take care.